fibre used to be, and I say the term used to be because of the way I'm seeing the technology growing. Fibre used to be the choice for getting data from one building to the next, whether it's via your typical British telecom type telcos, or whether it's in a school campus or university environment, campus environment, where you are having to expand your network outside of one physical building. So we have many customers that have more than one building, and typically they are in the same town or city. So whether that's housing associations with large blocks of flats, whether that's councils and they've got highways, depots, they've got libraries, they've got leisure centres, they've got schools, they've got everything in between it that people are used to the public sector providing. And using wireless is so cost effective, but it's also so fast now. It used to be that you put a fibre in, you get generally a gigabit connection. But we're putting technology in very cost effectively now that will give you 2.5 gigabits per second, and very, very soon 5 gigabits and even 10 gigabits per second. So very much to how Wi-Fi is now developing, wireless as an outdoor solution, linking buildings together and then enabling you to stretch your network is now faster than what even the network switches can provide. And that again is very disruptive in terms of technology, because people's mindset is now thinking of wireless as very much the first choice rather than the second choice. And again, a company like ours, we've been putting wireless in since outdoor wireless point to point now for over 16 years, and we've seen it develop from the very early stages, and it is quite incredible how the technology has developed over that time. And we're putting in wireless. It's extremely reliable now. It's extremely fast now. And when I look at how we price our solutions, it tends to be so much better value than a landline solution, for example. The beauty of our solutions is we can have a main site and we can put a high-speed broadband connection in, 100 meg, 1 gig, whatever it is, put some antennas on the roof and quite easily feed 10, 20, 30 buildings from that. So you can imagine if you've got 30 buildings going back to one, with only one broadband connection, one firewall to secure it all, that's going to be faster, it's going to be cheaper. And it means that instead of having 30 sites with slow broadband, you've now got 30 sites all being able to benefit from one huge broadband line. And we just control the contention with those by putting in more antennas and to ensure that there's plenty of bandwidth for everybody. And again, one of the key benefits of wireless is the fact that the upload speed is synchronous to the download speed. Quite often when you buy a landline solution, you have normally about 80% download and about 20% upload. But we're finding, not just in schools but in businesses, the ratio of requirement in terms of the direction of the broadband is absolutely changing as we are moving more into the cloud, whether it's cloud access for different applications, whether it's cloud access for even backup. Very much the shift in direction is starting to move way more towards the upload. It's not 50-50, but it certainly is more than 80-20. And the beauty of the wireless solution is that we can provide that synchronous connection. If we're giving you 2.5 gig down, we're giving you 2.5 gig up, and you don't have to worry about that.